you want to stop the auto-renewal feature on Book.com, follow these simple steps to manage your subscription settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Book.com website and log into your account using your registered email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Find subscription or payment settings. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled Subscriptions, Payments, or Billing. Click on this section to view your current subscription details. Step 4. Disable auto-renewal. Within the subscription settings, locate the option for auto-renewal. This should be a toggle or checkbox that allows you to turn off this feature. Make sure to save any changes you make. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling auto-renewal, you may receive a confirmation message or email. Check your email for confirmation to ensure that your auto-renewal has been successfully stopped. By following these steps, you can easily manage your Book.com subscription and prevent any unwanted auto-renewals.